Hi, in this tutorial we are going to talk about the wind deformer. So the wind deformer basically try to simulate wind. So I'll create a plane. Now change the orientation to minus z. Then I'll come in here and I'll create the wind deformer. I'll make it a child of the plane. And now instantly you can see it begins to smoothly move as if like there is a wind passing through or something of the sort. So I'll actually increase the frequency. So the frequency is how like frequent or how fast it moves. So I'll increase it to like 30 and let's see what happens, so that you can see it's really fast. Maybe I'll change amplitude to 20. I still can reduce the frequency a little bit. I'll come 15. Yeah, increase the turbulence. So actually play with these ones as well to see. So the more you increase it, the more you get more ripples. So basically that's what all those things does. It doesn't really do much, but I can play around with it to simulate some nice looking wind blowing. So actually can come in here at the fall off, like a linear fall off, right? And bring it somewhere here. Let's play and see what happens. So yeah, the fall off, like everything happens from this side. So you can simulate like some kind of a flag that's waving, right? Yeah, some waving flag can actually come in here and add a pole or something to it. Some kind of a pole. Let's go in here and increase the amplitude to like 50. I mean, play around with stuff size to eventually get something interesting and all that. It's nothing much about it. It's just try to play around with it to see what you can come up with. So basically that's the wind deformer.